Yes, I'm back. After all this time out due to coronavirus and loads of other stuff that's been going on, I'm back. And I'm back with a good one. Mark II pre-facelift Focus ST with hybrid turbo, 330 brake. Let's go. So the one thing we've got to talk about here are these wheels. These wheels are One Form Edition 1s. Finally got that out of my mouth. They actually look quite nice. They're a matte bronze, and I think with a black car they actually go really well. Maybe not to some other people's taste, but I think it kind of goes well with the look of the car. So let's talk about the front. The headlights have been stripped down and painted black, so it's give that sort of, I don't know what you call it, sort of like a murdered out look for Focus. I actually think it goes really well. And then you also got a Zunsport upper grille in black, a Zunsport lower grille, and a KSB front splitter. And then you can see that AirTech Stage 2 Gen 2 intercooler. A mouthful there, but from the front really gives that aggressive kind of look to the front. And I think it really suits it. I think any Focus that has this done looks so much better than the standard. You can really tell the difference. Let's talk about the main feature of this car underneath the bonnet of all these cars. So we've got a wisbeech crossover, all handmade. If you want to looking for one of them, go and check them out, because I have one on mine and they're worth every penny. It's also got a Cosworth Group A filter, Creations Motorsport ECU relocator. You have to have that when you have one of these duction kits put on. It's got a Powerflex engine mount, and it also has the hybrid turbo, and it just makes such a difference on this car. Let's talk about this exhaust. It's a KMS 618. I think it's pretty much straight through, no back boxes on it, and you can tell it's ridiculously loud. 5-inch tips on the back. And for me, I think it could do with a rear diffuser on the back, which makes it look a little bit better, but I think that's something that a future mod may be. And then we go up to the top here with that RS spoiler on the back. I haven't really been a fan of them on these, but it kind of goes quite well with it, and I think it looks, you know, really smart from the back. And then we've got to talk about this badge as well. It's only got purchased the other day, but it's just a little something different, and with a little bit of depth on it. But yeah, overall very subtle but very nice at the back, and plus you've got that killer wipers rear wiper delete as well, which makes it stand out really nice. Let's see what it's like, shall we? Jesus Christ. The difference between this one and the one that I drive it's vastly different. And that exhaust, it sounds so much better with that exhaust on. Loud, but a lot better. Let's go for another pull, shall we? good pull. It's not nothing. It's power, and then more power. Do you know what I mean? It's a linear sort of power. It's so good. If you're going to buy a car like this, Jesus, and have this exhaust on it, like, get yourself some ear defenders because it's so loud. Like mine, the one I had never had this on it. It was just more banging there. It had a D-cat and it had a D-res on it, and I thought it was quite loud, but this is nothing like, compared to this. It's a different kettle of fish. You wouldn't want to be using it every day. Let's put it that way, because it is far. Jesus Christ. This car's savage. Absolutely savage. It's definitely 330 plus. No way is it any less than that. Unbelievable. It's so nice to be in one of these again. I said this before in the last video, the one I did at the Focus, the silver one. You really have to drive one of these. Drive one, yeah, that's been modified properly, and you'll love it. You'll absolutely love it. It's just one of them cars that it's hard to explain without you actually owning one. It's the noise and just the presence of the car. It's just savage, absolutely savage. Now this one's had a few bits done. Annoying the neighbours, but nothing, you know, no coilover, not slamming. It's just the right, nice height. With the Group A, you get the flutter. I mean, you can really hear it. And this section 18 is like, you've got to wear headphones. I think headphones are the best option for it. Now the one I drove last time was a pre-facelift, sorry, whereas this is a oh god, it's addictive. This is a pre-facelift. It's the same one as what I had. This isn't like a top spec. This is literally just, I think it's ST2 cloth seats, nothing major on it. They don't come massively spec'd. The one I drove last time was an ST3, so it had your leather, your heated seats, and that sort of thing. They're not, compared to today's standard of cars, they're quite cheap and they're quite sort of basic. They're not a car you would go and use every day, really. Some people do, must have big pockets because they're not cheapest to run. It's just the excitement you get with this car. It's one of them cars with the right exhaust and the right setup. You could be literally driving anywhere. As soon as you see that tunnel, you know exactly what you're doing. You're putting them windows down and you're putting your foot flat to the floor. So sitting at 30, fifth gear, it's quite quiet. And then you get to a national speed limit, and you know you got to drop it down a bit, haven't you? Savagely fast. Let's go for a good second gear pull. This is a weekend tour. The lad who owns it drives a Vector around a week diesel, and then he jumps in this a weekend and kicks his ass all weekend and just enjoys it. This is what this car is made of. This is what it's about, enjoying it. But get one, I mentioned before, I'll say it again, get one that's been looked after. This has had a RS clutch, it's had block mod, it's had all that sort of stuff done to keep it well maintained. That's what you need to do with these cars. Keep them serviced regularly, keep them topped up with fuel, and go and enjoy them. Right, I do want to say a massive thank you to everyone who's carried on subscribing, carried on watching my videos and doing everything like that. Obviously I've been away for a while. It's nice to get back into it again, get back into the cars and doing what I enjoy doing in my spare time. Thank you very much for watching. If you'd like to leave a comment about anything, what you think to the car, what you think it needs doing, you know, we're always open to comments like that. If you could drop us a follow and a like, that'd be even better. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.